Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get free Robux this 2023. So let's get right into it. So on your Roblox app, you just have to search for Please Buy Me on the game section. So there. And all you have to do is click this one and play this one. So in here guys, this is a new legit way on how you can earn or get Robux for free. So there. You can play the tutorial, but I know it already, so let's get into it. So in this one, you can buy other people's cards like that, and you can also sell your own card to get Robux here. So if you are able to sell your card, you will get Robux like that. So okay, so let's go on over and see if we have a empty boot. So all you have to do is hold E, and once you are here, you can edit your boot right there. You can customize it if you want, but you have to buy custom boots here. So in here, you can reload the boot, you can unassign all, and you can add your own card here. So for example, you want to add this one, and in here, boot. So in here, you have to assign a price to your card and like selling it. So you just have to follow all the steps here and there. So okay. So all you have to do here guys is just follow all the steps and there. So that, that, and there. So okay guys, that is how you can go ahead and do this tutorial. You just have to go ahead and paste this link also. So okay guys, thank you for watching and goodbye.